Hello everyone, my name is Valentine, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can easily attract a brand new car, any car that you desire, and it's really simple. But first, a little bit about me. My name is Valentine, and my passion is helping people manifest whatever their heart's desires, whether that be your soulmate, money, a car, abundance, whatever it is, I'm your guy. So before we start this video, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate it. And now let's get on to the content of how you can manifest a brand new car. And we're going to do this in 3 simple steps. The first one is, and a lot of people don't do this, if you've seen my other videos, you know what I'm going to be asking you to do. And that is ask. Ask the universe what you want. It's that simple. I like to do it before bed and when I wake up. And I will simply pretend that I'm on a beach somewhere, and I will close my eyes. Well, I'm in my bed, so my eyes are closed, and I will say, God, I would like a Cadillac CTSV or some sort of Porsche, whatever car it is that you want. Ask for it. Put in as much detail as you can, the color, the year, the color wheels that you want, and then imagine putting this idea into a small rocket ship and exploding that rocket ship into space. And this will show the universe that you are serious about getting what you want. Now here, in my opinion, is the next most important step, and that is believing that you have already received what you have asked for. And there are many ways to do this. In fact, I think it's one of the more simple things to do when it comes to manifesting an object, because we all drive every day, almost every day, and we drive, for a while. And that gives us a long time to believe that we are in the vehicle that we want. So with me, let's say I want a Dodge Challenger. I will pretend, I'll put my hand on the steering wheel, and then I will put my other hand on the steer shift, or the gear shift. And I will pretend that I am in this car all the way until my destination. If my mind starts drifting off to work or something like that, I will pull it back and pretend that I'm back in my car. If I forget that I'm in the car and I'm in something else like a 92 Civic or something like that, I will again put myself back into that car that I want. It's very important that you also visualize the dash, visualize the leather seats, whatever it is that you want. Imagine yourself doing the suicide doors on your Lamborghini. These are very important details to give the universe in order to create this manifestation process. Also, don't fret if you haven't been able to visualize for very long. It does take some practice. Realize that it only takes around 17 seconds of visualization to start the manifestation process. Another thing I want to tell you guys, and this is really cool, I gotta sit up for this. It's just as easy to manifest a Lamborghini or a Ferrari as it is to manifest a 92 Honda Civic or a Toyota Camry, something like that. It's that easy. What it comes down to is you believing that you can get this and that you are worthy of it. This is the problem that holds people back from manifesting these awesome cars. If we could let go of the idea that we aren't worthy of getting this certain car, then we could manifest it faster. I've read a book that said if we could 100% believe, and this is impossible for humans, if we could 100% believe that we have something and believe it in our heart that it is outside, that we could have it manifested in instantly. So that's an interesting idea. I don't know if I believe it to that extent because I believe in inspired action, but you get the point. If you believe with all your heart that it's just as easy to manifest a Lamborghini as it is to manifest a Toyota Camry, or I'm not saying that's a bad car, just something that's less expensive than a Lamborghini, it shows the universe that we are serious and that we're not so needy. We know we can get it. It's our birthright. Getting this Lamborghini or this car that you desire is our birthright. So here's an affirmation you can say while you're driving in your car. I am so happy and grateful that this car, put your specific car there, has driven into, or has rode into my life with effortlessly. So let me say that more clearly. I'm so happy and grateful that this car of my dreams has driven into my life effortlessly. And you can say that as many times as you want. And if you say it often, you will start really feeling it. I'm telling you, you'll say it for about, let's say, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, and it won't be a big deal to you. You'll just feel a little bit silly. And then after that, you'll find that you're holding the steering wheel and you're kind of pumping yourself up. You're getting excited about it because you're actually doing this manifestation process. You are in the manifestation process. Remember, we are just walking radios, and all we have to do is tune in to the frequency of that Lamborghini, right? And we do that with our thoughts and our beliefs. So let's get on to step 3, and that is gratitude. You knew it was coming. You gotta be grateful. So we believe that we already have this car, so now it's time to be grateful that we have it. And I'm talking unwavering, super strong gratitude. I want you writing in your journal, I am so happy and grateful that I now own a Porsche or Lamborghini or Ferrari, or if you want a Camry, you could say that. And really picture these details in your head and be super grateful. Another thing, and here's a little secret tip on how to increase the speed of manifesting this car. Be grateful for what you already have. That is a huge blessing from the universe. You cannot expect to manifest something more, something else, if you're not grateful for what you already have. Now you may be saying, Kai, I don't have a car. I take the bus, or I have a bicycle, or I don't know, a moped. I don't know. Be grateful for that you already have it. Be grateful that you have legs to walk to work with. This will show the universe that you are serious about manifesting and that you are really grateful for the life that it has given you. It is your birthright to get this car. Another thing I like to say is this car wants to be manifested by you just as bad as you want to manifest it. Let that sink in. The car wants to be with you just as much as you want to be with it. That's exciting. God wants us to have these things. Why not? He's not some mean, I want to say douchebag, but that sounds horrible. He's not some mean guy that doesn't want you to have things. No, he wants you to have an amazing life. This is your birthright. You deserve the car. And now the next step is receiving. The next step is receiving. We have to be able to receive. And this is the hardest part for a lot of people, surprisingly. They believe and they're grateful, but then there's something in their subconscious that's holding them back. They don't really believe that they can get it. And you know why that is? It's because we have this car on a pedestal. We don't need this car to be happy. We should be happy with what we already have. So take the car off the pedestal. Realize you're complete just the way you are. You don't need the car. You have legs to walk. That's a beautiful miracle in itself. Take the car off the pedestal. This reduces the lackful mentality. This reduces the neediness, and it shows the universe. It gives the universe the opportunity to bring it into your life. You will find within a couple days that you're taking inspired actions, whether that is finding a brand new business opportunity that increases your money, whether that is a raise, or whether you start seeing them everywhere. You might even start seeing the Lamborghini luxury car shops that you've never seen before while on your way to work. That's how powerful the law of attraction is. Within a couple days, sometimes within a couple of hours, depending on how well you do this, you can really start seeing some amazing changes. Remember to start taking inspired actions. Listen to your gut and start, this is the universe telling you, like, hey, you wanted this thing. It's not important to you. You're already grateful for what you already have. Take this step. And if we have this car on this pedestal, we won't take those steps. We won't even see them. We won't be aware of these actions. We won't be aware of these opportunities because we're so worried about getting the car. Relax. It's already yours. And that's it. So remember, guys, you need to ask for the specific car. Step 2 is you need to believe that you already have this car. And when you're believing it and you're visualizing it, remember to get as much details as possible. Step 3 is being super grateful that you already have it with an unwavering faith that it is yours. Step 4 is to receive, and that is by taking inspired action and letting go of the importance of the freaking car. You already have it. It's no big deal. It's on its way to you. It wants to be with you just as much as you want to be with it. And if that doesn't blow your mind, I don't know what else will. It's really exciting. This is exciting news. You may have heard these steps before, but I'm telling you it a different way. I'm telling you right now, it's yours. Don't worry about it. It's yours. If you're in the shower and you're listening to this on YouTube, the car is yours. Congratulations. You might as well just, walk outside and go get into it. You have to believe it that much. And I'm telling you, if you do this every day and you do this visualization, and you do these steps every day, morning and night, when you go to bed, you're like so excited because you have that car out in the parking lot, things will start happening rapidly for you. And you can do this with whatever you want, but today we're talking about cars. Another thing, one last secret tip for speeding up the manifestation process, and this is going to excite you, is when you are visualizing and you're saying, your affirmation, I'm so happy and grateful now that this car is in my life. However you want to say it. You can create your own affirmation. It's not that hard. Say at the end of the affirmation, this or something better. This or something better. Guys, I'm Kai Valentine. If you like this video, please hit the like button. That helps me out tremendously. I'm trying to get this channel off the ground. I'm so excited that you're going to be manifesting so many awesome things. Check out the rest of the videos in my channel. How to attract a relationship, how to attract money. It's all super easy, super exciting. I know you can do it because I've done it, and I really want to get this across to you. And it's repetition, repetition, repetition. We have to change the thoughts in your subconscious mind, and we can do it together, guys. So please hit that subscribe button. I don't know where it is. I'm kind of new here. And hit that bell notification to be notified that more videos from me are up. I'm trying to do one a day. I'll probably skip weekends. And also, really helps me out if you would share this with somebody who is also trying to manifest a car, or who is without a car and needs help visualizing their way to getting a brand new car. So guys, thank you so much. I really appreciate your support. I love you guys. Again, I'm Kai Valentine, here to help you manifest more money, more love, more abundance. Thank you guys so much, and have a great day.